Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Now, on this device it doesn't matter which side you do it from, so make sure you do it from the right side, which will give you the toggles. And in here we're looking for the screen recording, so we can extend this panel at the bottom, and one of those should be a screen recording, which you can see for me is visible right over here. Once you see it, simply tap on it. It automatically starts recording, and microphone looks to be enabled by default, so if you want to, you can turn that off. And whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. Let's see if I have any kind of decent application to showcase something I want to, but oh, there we go. There it is. A cheeky little app trying to hide. So pay attention that there's a bunch of content visible right here. It will matter in a second. Have a login page and all that stuff, keyboard. So you can close this. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can stop it by clicking on this square that kind of keeps flashing. And now, when we go back to watch our screen recording, which we can do by going into our photos or gallery, whatever we have right here. Assuming I can find it. There we go, gallery. You can see it under, is it screenshots? Yep, it's located under screenshots, which will be the easiest way to locate all your screen recordings. And you can start playing it back. Now, one thing that you'll see in a moment, once it gets to it, is Netflix will provide you with a fully black screen. This is not the only application that will do this, but it's an annoying feature of Android that basically is designed to give you privacy and security. What it's being used for is just malicious intent, like Netflix, where it just completely blocks it, or some other applications that have no effing business utilizing this kind of security, where the app contains nothing that you could consider to be a security risk to you. So I just wanted to point that out because you might encounter this from time to time, where you cannot capture a video recording or screen recording of this, or even capture a screenshot. And just to kind of point that out, there is nothing you can do about it. So if you encounter such an application, it's basically the best thing I can say is suck it up. As far as I know, there is no way around it. But going back to the actual screen recording, as you can see, it's pretty easy to record it and also find the screen recording. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.